Hi, welcome to another video on higher education in Europe. One of the most important aspects of a student's life when he is going to do a master's degree in a foreign country is going to be student housing. Now, when it comes to doing masters in Germany, there are two ways in which you can find a house for yourself. Most of the universities in Germany do not have their own student housing. This video is basically going to be all about housing in Germany, and this is basically the first part of the video. So as I was saying, there are two methods to find student housing in Germany. The first one is a WG Gesucht portal, which is a Wohngemeinschaft Gesucht portal. This is basically a website and a phone app in which if you were to have an extra room in your house, you are going to share it on this portal, and anyone who is interested to live there is going to contact you after seeing your advertisement. This video is going to be about how do you apply, and before applying, search for a house on the WG Gesucht portal. The second method is the Studiendenwerk system. Now this is a company which is going to build, manage and operate its own student and family housing. And when you apply here, the housing is going to be allotted on a first come first served basis via an online system. In this part of the video, I am going to give you an in-depth walkthrough of the WG Gesucht website. So this is the original website and I have logged into my account. The first thing that you must do is you must scroll down and change the language to English. So this gives us the English version of the WG Gesucht portal. So as you can see, this is a portal where you can find houses in Germany, and for the major cities in Germany, they already have these web pages here. And in fact, you can even search for housing in Austria and Switzerland here. So the general method would be that let's just say that you have secured an admit in a university in Munich. So what you would do is, in your city search field, you would enter Munich. Now depends. Now most people are going to live in a shared flat, so they would type flat shares and you would do find. So this may take some time. So what you are supposed to do here is you are supposed to select long term, because you will be living for 1 year minimum if you are in a joint master's degree, or you'll be living there for 2 years. I think the minimum size of 12 square meters is going to be a good one. And then I would say that 350 euros is a good rent. So these are the various options that I am being given here. So let's just consider this one. So understand that what is being shown on the front page of the advertisement is the monthly rent. This is the name of the person who has posted the ad. This is when he was online last. This is the area of the room. This is the date when the posting was done, and this basically indicates that there is space for 5 men inside the apartment, and currently 4 men are living, so 1 room is vacant. Let's analyze this ad in detail. So 250 euros is the final rent. The cost of the utilities like heating and water is included. This is the exact address. This is going to be a deposit amount. So I will view the photos. So this is how the room looks. This is the restroom. This is the kitchen. So these are the particulars of the property, that what is happening there, the people living there. Are they only students? Is smoking allowed? What language do they speak? What is the range of the ages which the person that they're looking for? These are the details of the room. Like, the room is on the second floor. They have internet, they have long distance heating, they have this is a furnished room, they have cable, the bus stop is 5 minutes by foot, they have also parking. The description has been given here in German, so I'm going to translate. So these are the details that they have given. So you must read and understand what kind of a person they are looking for. And the most important thing that you have to do is you have to copy the address. You have to open Google Maps, and let's just say that you have gotten into LMU, which is a very, very famous German university in Munich. I have inserted the address here. So I'm going to directions, starting point LMU, which is in Germany. So okay, roughly speaking 2 kilometers of distance. Furthermore, you must understand that the department at which you will be studying, where is it exactly located inside the campus? You have to consider that location and the location of the house, and you have to evaluate how far is the house. Like 2 kilometers is actually quite far. So this is the point. You have to look at many available options, and then you have to decide. And so this is one more photo of the kitchen here. This is the garden which they have. This is the building from outside. So maybe they had some function there. So this picture. Yeah, so they have a beer pong party going on. So yeah, you can have fun also. And this again is a party that they have. This is one event maybe in the neighborhood nearby. So all in all, we can say that this was how you evaluate a property that you see on the WG Gesucht portal. And let's just say that and they also have a map here, but this may not be very effective. Okay. And if you are interested to contact them, you can send them a message using the WG Gesucht message system. And they often have the advertisement ID, so you can search this ad on some other device by using this ad ID. And then one of the most interesting options to search is basically going to do a map search. So if you look at it, this map here, go to show surrounding ads. So these are all the surrounding ads. So if you look at here, this they are showing you. So this property is available here. If you click here, they'll show that there are multiple ads here. Just click. So this is how you can optimize your search, right? Like, let's just say that the department at which you will be studying is located here. Like, let's just say it's located here. So you will be searching for ads which are nearby. So this is how you search a listing on the WG Gesucht portal. Hi, you may have noticed that I have not released the video for a very, very long time. This is basically because I don't have enough content, as my master's degree has been postponed to the next winter. Do not unsubscribe. I will release a video at least once in 40 days. Now let's go back to the video. One of the most important parts of this entire application process is that once you are interested in a house that you find on the portal, you are supposed to find a senior who lives in the same area and you are supposed to request him to actually go to that house and just do a location scout to see whether how are the surroundings, is there any issue with the locality, how exactly does the entire house look, because on the portal they will often show you the photos of your own room and of the common hall area, but how do the lobbies look, what exactly does the entire house look like. You need someone to basically know all this so that you can really know what kind of a house you will be moving into. And also, when you are going to contact someone on the portal, the owner of the house for example, you always have to request a Skype walkthrough of the entire house. This is because the portal is not going to be responsible for what is the quality of the house that is being listed on the portal. Okay, the portal does not know who is listing their property. Yeah, so be very careful when you use this method. Now I understand that many people who go to Germany use this method, but they all have been doing this. Okay, you just can't get interested in some house over there and contact the owner, and based on the photos you cannot decide that you want to live there for at least 1 year or 2 years. Okay, now let's go back to the video. A big thank you for watching this video till the end. Give the video a like if you think that this video has helped you in some way, and also share this video with anyone who you know is interested or is aiming to pursue higher studies in Europe. And also share your feedback in the comment section, and if you have a doubt regarding some very specific topic about higher education in Europe, share it in the comment section. I will try my best to make a video about it. And also give my channel a subscribe, because if you are someone who at some point of time is going to pursue masters in Europe, then my channel is definitely going to help you. Thank you.